Endless Organic Cosmetics, the place where we look after our hair and skin in the organic way. So this is what I normally do before I go to bed at night. I tie my hair with this netty scarf. So my head was prepared last night. So wake up in the morning and unravel. So take the scarf off. Get your trusted friend olive oil. Apply the olive oil. Get ready to unravel. So this is flat twist with a bit of bunting knot at the ends. So you keep on unraveling, keep on unraveling. So I'm not going to get a comb and then just use it to shape it up the way that I want it to go. But yeah, that's what it is. Flaxseed gel to do the twist out. And this is the final look.